Two hungry neighbors here. We're having a little lunch. So one of my favorite foods is sushi. How about you?
Oh yeah.
I love sushi. Any deconstructed, rolled and roll, whatever. I love it. And I just love salmon. So we found this recipe for a sushi salmon bowl. So
With avocado.
With avocado.
Amazing.
And some edamame. But we made some sushi rice, which is super easy, and I love it because it's got a little more of a bite to it.
And I like that it's a little sticky.
Yes, and it's stickier. It's a short grain rice, and then the salmon has a marinade of maple syrup, tamari, some mirin, and some sesame oil.
It smells so good.
Yeah,
I can only imagine how good it's going to taste.
and it was really easy. So.
Yeah, we thought this looked super simple. So yeah, go ahead. We're gonna try it. This is a recipe we found and just thought it looked really yummy, and so we're gonna give it a whirl.
I'm gonna even dish you up.
You are.
I
That's
know.
so nice.
It's very nice, isn't it?
Aw,
I'm feeling very generous today.
Yes, I'm being served.
Some avocado.
Oh, perfect.
Let's see if I can get myself some here.
Let's try. I'm really excited to try this salmon.
Look, I need.
Yeah. Another piece of salmon.
Here.
Thank you, thank you.
That was really just not piece, was it?
All right. The true test, right? Get a little bit of everything here. There's happiness right there. That is a delicious marinade.
That maple syrup, it just gives it a little.
And then that stickiness of the rice. Oh, yum-y.
I think the only thing I would change is I would double the marinade.
You would?
Well, we added extra salmon to it. So it called for 2 salmon fillets. I put 3 in. I made a little bit more, but I would double it just a little bit just to give me a little more.
I think it's got great flavor though. I mean, it's got great flavor.
That is so good.
Tons of healthy fat in this recipe. Your avocado, your salmon, edamame, tons of protein. Just a really, really healthy meal. Super simple to just get together, have all the components ready, and then just assemble. Really can't imagine who wouldn't like this. So it's pretty darn delicious.
Yeah. So we're doing a couple of ding dong dinners tonight, and this.
We're not giving that away because
away.
that's going to be our ding dong. You ring my doorbell and I'll ring yours.
I love it.
Generous serve. So yeah.
It.
So anyway, we'll put the recipe below. Please subscribe, and we hope you enjoy it. Give it a try. But just really love finding healthy recipes that are simple and just a great way to enjoy your meals, but also have them be healthy. Thanks. See ya.